Hey everyone, today we are going to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. The first two steps will involve installing VirtualBox and downloading Ubuntu. Once everything has been downloaded, to start creating the Ubuntu VM, first we need to open VirtualBox. Click New, type in a name for the virtual machine, choose a location to save, choose the type Linux, select Ubuntu and the number of bits your machine has. Now we must configure the amount of RAM our machine will use. I recommend at least 4 GB and the max limit being 3/4 of the green section. Select Create a Virtual Disk now. Select VDI, VirtualBox Disk Image. Select Dynamically Allocated, otherwise the memory will already be taken up by the VM even if it's empty. For the virtual hard disk, I would normally give this a size of 20 GB, but anything above 2 to 4 GB should be fine. Once that is all configured, the next step involves increasing the processing power and selecting the Ubuntu ISO file to boot up the machine. We will start off by right-clicking our VM, going to Settings, System, Processor. I recommend giving this enough resources to run Ubuntu smoothly, but aim to have at least 2 CPUs. For the optical virtual disk, you will need to select where you downloaded the Ubuntu ISO file. This is what the machine will use when booting up the system. The main setup is now complete. The only thing left to do is booting up the virtual machine. This can be done by selecting the name of your VM and clicking Start. During this process, you will need to set up your username, password and other personal settings. This is straightforward and similar to operating a new computer. Towards the end of this video, I've demonstrated how to fix some problems like opening Ubuntu in full screen